In Buddhism, the square holds a symbolic meaning associated with being grounded in the earthly realm. However, when combined with the circle, which represents the eternal and complete, they create a powerful symbol of the interconnection between humanity and the divine. The square, with its straight lines and right angles, represents stability, structure, and the physical world. It signifies the earthly existence and the material aspects of life. It serves as a reminder of the tangible realities and limitations we encounter in our human experience. The square symbolizes the foundation upon which our lives are built, providing a sense of grounding and balance. On the other hand, the circle represents a more transcendent and infinite aspect. It embodies unity, eternity, and the boundless nature of the divine. The circle has no beginning or end, suggesting the continuous cycle of life and the eternal flow of energy. It symbolizes wholeness, completeness, and the interconnectedness of all things. When the square is positioned within the circle, a profound transformation occurs. This combination signifies the harmonious integration of the earthly and the divine realms. It represents the realization that our human experience is intricately intertwined with the spiritual realm. The square within the circle symbolizes the connection between our physical existence and the infinite spiritual essence that transcends our earthly boundaries. This symbolism holds deep cultural significance, emphasizing the importance of recognizing and embracing our divine nature while navigating the complexities of the material world. It reminds us that despite our earthly limitations, we are part of something greater, and there is a sacred bond that unites us with the divine. In Buddhism, this symbol serves as a reminder of our spiritual journey and the potential for enlightenment. It encourages us to seek a balance between our earthly responsibilities and our spiritual growth, recognizing that both aspects are essential for our overall well-being. The square within the circle in Buddhism represents the profound interplay between the human and the divine, reminding us of our inherent connection to the spiritual realm while honoring our earthly existence. It serves as a powerful visual reminder of the unity and harmony that can be found when we embrace both aspects of our being.